Okay guys, here's basically a way to do a cheaper PCV system where you don't have to buy everything. So the only thing that I'm buying really was the intake manifold gasket, the hose that goes on the side right here. I made my own hose right here because, you know, they're so fragile and they're so expensive. I think they're like 60 bucks for that one hose. You can get a heater hose on eBay for like 10 bucks. Make sure it's 5/8. Stick that on here. You can either use the old vacuum line if it's good, which mine is, or you can get a vacuum line from AutoZone for like 5 bucks. And you got that. And really all I did was clean this. I flushed it with water, stuck a screwdriver, scraped it, let it soak in water for like 2 hours, and then I sprayed some brake cleaner inside and then compressed air to blow everything out. It's super clean right now. As well, this hose is very good. It's not dried out. I'm gonna reuse it. And make sure you buy the little bung that goes on here that adapts it to this. So basically, all I bought that was OEM is this, the hose that goes right here, and the little bung that goes right there. So guys, I just removed my PCV system, cleaned everything. Make sure you clean through the ports. What I did is I attached a heater hose right here to the bottom port and I blew through it, and right here I stuck something through. You're not gonna be able to stick something through here because it's a J maneuver, I guess I'll say. Okay, so I know you're supposed to clean the ports right here, which I did, and I know you're supposed to stick something inside to, you know, to get down to the oil pan, so you clear whatever you can't see. And I have this one pushed, and I can hear it on the oil pan, so I know this is good. And it goes down that much, and there's oil on it. This, I can't get it down any farther. I don't hear it on the oil pan. And I only can fit it that much. No pressure. It's easy to blow through. Everything's good. So for this PCV system, you'll be probably saving over 100 bucks. And I think this is pretty smart. So I'm reusing this. This is OEM Volvo. All I did was wash it out with water, flushed it, let it soak in water for like 2 hours, sprayed brake cleaner in it, and flushed it out with compressed air. You should be replacing this hose, but this is actually really soft and, you know, can still use it, so I'm gonna reuse that. The one on mine right here, make sure you replace this with OEM Volvo, only Volvo, no other aftermarket. This, you can use the aftermarket piece, make sure you get that new. This is all the stuff you have to get new. Get a 5/8 heater hose that will replace the huge hose that goes on the side. And then you can just get any vacuum line that's, I don't know, like 5 millimeters and use that. So I think these two things together from Volvo would cost like $90. This right here is costing me 15 bucks. New gasket, what is that, like $4? This $10, and then this $4. And that reusing. This is probably like $30. This is probably $40. So think about that. Saving over 100 bucks. I recommend you use that. Diameter on that is 5/8 fuel hose or heater hose. My bad. Can hear the oil. Does that mean it's free? Okay, never mind. It does need a PCV. Finished with the PCV system. Now we're gonna do a glove test. Great vacuum. Now let's see if I can rev it somehow. Ouch. Caught. So guys, in all, this whole PCV kit costed me about $40, and the only thing I didn't replace, which I listed in this list right here, is the hose that goes to the top of the cam cover. Mine was already new, I didn't need to replace that. But if you guys bought all this, it would be $75 for a PCV kit, and on FCPEuro it's $280. That's a $205 saving, and it actually runs better because the 5/8 heater hose has more flow. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.